How to clean your shower and create a more enjoyable shower experience. First up, declutter. Remove all the shower accessories and products from the shower. Shampoo bottles, soap, scrub brushes, razors. Remove them all. Second, clear the drain. Remove any hair from the drain screen that may inhibit the shower from draining properly. Number 3, pre-rinse. Rinse all the walls of the shower with warm water before applying any cleaner. It's best to work on one shower wall at a time. Spray the shower wall with your favorite bathroom cleaner. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the soap scum. Use a soft bristle brush or sponge to scrub the walls. Rinse the walls completely with warm water and move on to the next section. If you have tile or grout, you may need to spend a little extra time and elbow grease on the grout before moving on. You can purchase specific cleaners for tile and grout. Step 5, moving down to the shower floor. Clean the tub or shower floor in the same manner as the walls. Spray the shower floor with your bathroom cleaner, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub it with a soft bristle brush. Rinse it completely with warm water. For a little extra help with stubborn stains, try baking soda with a soft bristle brush. Number 6, shower door or curtain. Cleaning a shower door with soap scum and lime scale dried on it can be extra challenging. To avoid this dilemma, it's a good habit to get into is to squeegee the glass door after every shower. To clean your glass shower door, start by first rinsing it with water. Then squeegee it clean, spray it with your favorite glass cleaner, and dry it with a paper towel. If you happen to have a shower curtain, remove both the curtain and the liner. Throw them both in the washing machine and run a regular cycle with warm or hot water. You can dry the curtain in the clothes dryer, but hang the liner to dry immediately after washing. Sometimes it's best just to replace the shower curtain liner. For more cleaning tips like this, visit us at FamilyHandyman.com.